It is the beating heart of almost every vehicle on the road for the last century, a mechanical marvel that changed the world. The internal combustion engine, often just called an ICE, gets its name because the burning of fuel happens inside the engine itself, specifically within a combustion chamber. This is different from external combustion engines like old steam trains, where the fire burned outside the cylinder to heat water. The concept dates back to the mid-19th century, with Belgian engineer Etienne Lenoir creating the first commercially successful gas engine in 1859. But the engines we use today in the US, whether they run on gasoline or diesel, generally operate on a four-stroke cycle. Imagine a piston moving up and down inside a cylinder. The first stroke is intake, where the piston moves down and sucks in a mixture of air and fuel. The second is compression, where the piston moves up to squeeze that mixture into a tiny space. The third is the power stroke. The spark plug fires, igniting the compressed fuel, causing a mini explosion that forces the piston down with great force. This is what actually turns the wheels. Finally, the fourth stroke is exhaust, where the piston moves back up to push the burnt gases out of the tailpipe. This entire cycle happens thousands of times per minute. While electric vehicles are gaining ground, the internal combustion engine remains the dominant power source for transportation in America. It is a complex symphony of metal parts moving in perfect synchronization, turning the chemical energy of gasoline into the kinetic energy that drives you down the highway. From the massive V8 engines in trucks to the efficient four cylinders in compact cars, the basic principle remains the same: suck, squeeze, bang, blow.